Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anthony with Jhulys Aquatics and Gardening, and I'm back planting up another fall container. This might be my last container of the season because I've got a lot going on, as you already know, and I've kind of just got to consolidate some things and not go all out as I had originally planned. So this terracotta pot that I'm going to be planting in, I've had it for about 2 years now. And I've planted it up every season, and I just moved it from the flower bed behind me to this part of the yard where it's right by my front door, so I'll get to see it every day, multiple times a day. Now it is backed up to this part of the flower bed right here behind me, so I'm going to be able to see it from 3 sides. So I am going to design it with a back. This backdrop of this dying mint will be gone soon, so this will take over and be nice. So a couple of things about fall containers that I probably haven't talked about yet. First and foremost, they don't put on as much growth as your spring and summer pots. So with that in mind, pack them out because you want them to look full and abundant from the beginning, because they're not going to put on that much growth. And I know we're coming off of the high of summer, the high of spring, where things are full, lush, abundant, and they're growing like weeds. And so we kind of still are in that, mind frame there. High traffic time, guys. White flies and mosquitoes are killing me. So we're kind of in that mind frame still where everything is, growing like weeds, and we're leaving space in our containers and what have you. But for fall, it's just not necessary. It's also not necessary to go overboard with fertilizing. If you don't want to fertilize, you don't have to, just because, again, the plants don't really need it. This is fresh soil because the plants that I pulled out of there came out in like a big mass. So I had to fill it back up. And as you can see, I have about a 3-inch lip there, because I might be dealing with some big root balls, but I have some more soil behind me in case I need it. So I've just got a ton of plants here. I have some geraniums, some pansies and violas that are looking past their prime because I forgot I had them. I've got some marigolds, some kale. I've got corn. Well, not corn. I've got ornamental millet. I've got some cabbages. So I'm just going to get to work getting this container planted up. Right off to my right, I do have another terracotta pot, just in case I, have too many plants here, and, I don't want my money to go to waste. So I might, if I have extra plants, pot up another planter over there. But let me bring you in a little bit closer, and I'll probably speed up this part of the video, and let's get to work, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so I just want to stop at this point and explain what's going on with this marigold. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's growing crooked. So, in order for it not to continue to grow off to the side like that, I'm going to tilt it and plant it on its side so it can correct itself and grow upward. Just in case you're buying plants that have been at the garden center or the nursery for a while and you see them growing kind of wonky, you really want it, there's nothing else, there's nothing better. Buy it and just plant it on a short angle so you can see the difference between that and that. I mean, I could plant it off to the side like this and see if it'll self-correct, but it's not going to leave me any space on that side to plant some other things. So I'm going to tilt it up ever so slightly. Alright guys, so my camera battery died and I don't know where it ended at. But this is a finished product. I really like how it turned out, and honestly I was about to pull it out and start over because the millet that I have in the back, I really wanted it in the center, but then again I'm not going to be able to see anything from the back, so I'm just leaving it alone. Again, I have those 2 millets. I've got 2 cabbages, I've got 2 marigolds, I've got 2 dinosaur kale, I've got 2 snapdragons that are an orange color, and then I just put all of my pansies and violas that are purples and that tapestry mix in the front. And I also put some in the back just because I had them and I didn't want to just leave them in the cans for them to die on me. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this project come together. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. As I said, I don't believe I'm going to be putting together any more plants and things for fall because I've got a lot behind me that you can't see that I need to get potted up, planted, and done before my twins arrive and before the hard frosts set in about 7 weeks. So again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Even though I'm not going to be doing any more plantings for fall, I would love to see what you guys are doing. So make sure that you tag me on Instagram and on Facebook so I can know what you guys are doing. And maybe I might get jealous and go ahead and decide to put together another container. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Remember, in all things, give thanks. Take care. God bless. Hit that subscription button. Make sure that you like, comment, share. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys, and God bless.